Hey Savvy people, it's Savvy Nick here, and today I'll be showing you the could not get lock issue, which can happen when you're trying to install an application or package via the terminal. And you'll get this error because some other program's trying to update on Ubuntu. But let's figure out how to find what program that is. What I was trying to do is, let's just go over this again, see if it's still locked. Trying to install gparted, and what I keep getting is waiting for cache lock, could not get lock. And it's trying to get a lock for the front end, it looks like here. So I do Control C to get out of there. And what you'll notice is process 3228. This is giving us a hint at what process is trying to do an unintended upgrade. So let's check out what process that is and if we actually need it running. So in order to check that out, we can do PS space AX, then we're gonna pipe, and we're gonna type in grep 3228, the same ID that the message for whatever you were trying to install gave you, and then you're going to press enter. Once you have that, it says right here 3228, the process is coming from Python 3 and it's trying to do an unintended upgrade. So looks like Python 3 is trying to upgrade itself, but it's taking forever. So you really have two options: keep letting the upgrade going, or number two, killing the process. So if we do sudo kill 3228, let's see if that'll do it. Now I'm going to search for that same process again, psax grep for 3228, and now it doesn't show up anymore. All this is something from grep that it's spitting out at you. You can see that the process ID is not matching the 3228 we were searching for, and you don't have this line anymore in your output. All right, let's see if we can install gparted now, or whatever application you were trying to install. So I'm going to clear things out and do sudo apt install. And for me, I'm trying to do gparted, so I'll do that. Look at that. We can now install gparted, no problem. And that's it. So I don't normally suggest to just kill updates like that. You want to stay on top of them. But sometimes there might be something broken in the background and you have to get out of the update, or perhaps you just need to move on to something else in a pinch. In order to solve this issue as well, I'll just show you that if you actually go to software and updates, and bring up this dialog, what we'll see here is information about how the system updates, specifically here for Ubuntu 21.10. We'll go to updates. We should check and see this when there are security updates. You can display them immediately, download automatically, or download and install automatically. If this is set, that's why you're actually getting locking errors where the system's locked in order to make the update, because it's trying to install automatically. You can switch this to something else like download automatically, which you're going to be asked for a password, type it in for your administrative user, and now the packages will get downloaded automatically but won't be installed. You'll have to initiate the install yourself. I don't suggest this for most people. I do like doing the installs automatically, but if you're one to get hosed up by those locking errors, that's something you can do to try avoiding them. Well, that's about it. That was a quick one just to help you if you ever fall into this issue. It can be quite annoying if you don't know what's going on, and there is a way around stopping the update and figuring out what's making the update. Well, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please make sure to post them in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos and make sure to like the video. Catch me in a great community on Discord, and I'll catch you in another video. Thanks for watching.